Hello! In this video I will show you how to print a 1.2 meter long banner with the MAXIFY. To find more about the product, touch the right up corner of the screen on the part 1 video or link in the description below. So this is gonna be part 9 on MAXIFY GX series, as there are more videos. Scan this QR code to get to my playlist or check the description below for more videos. The driver and all MAXIFY compatible software is installed in the part 4. Here I print my banner from the Poster Artist Lite software. You can create posters or other marketing or promotional materials. The installation may take a couple of minutes and then the software is easy to use. Several Poster Artist Lite templates can be downloaded, edited and printed, like this one in my video. To get my 1.2 meter format media, I had to put together 4 A4 pages. To print custom media size, select other format in the media settings on the device display. My MAXIFY is printing in a real speed. There was no fast forwarding in this video. So, my banner has been printed and that would be all in this video. Find more about MAXIFY series, scan the QR code, check, get the most out of your printer. Feel free to like, share, comment, ask questions. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell so you will be notified about my future uploads. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.